FounderPal AI is a newly released software that's been making waves in the digital marketing world. If you're wondering whether it's worth your time and investment, this review will break down 7 crucial things you need to know about FounderPal AI to help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing how you can try it for free and my personal recommendations on the best AI tools out there after testing thousands of them. FounderPal AI has come onto the scene at a time when AI-driven tools are revolutionizing business operations, and this one stands out with its unique approach. It's designed to help entrepreneurs and small businesses automate a variety of processes from lead generation to customer engagement. But what really sets it apart? Let's dive in. First off, FounderPal AI integrates seamlessly with your existing platforms. Whether you use CRM software, email marketing tools, or social media management systems, FounderPal works well with them, meaning you don't have to overhaul your entire setup just to use it. It's a huge time saver for business owners who want to streamline their workflow without getting bogged down by complicated tech. Another key feature is its AI-driven content creation capabilities. Whether you need blog posts, email sequences, or social media content, FounderPal can generate these in seconds, saving you hours of work. This is especially beneficial for entrepreneurs who need to produce high-quality content quickly, without sacrificing quality for speed. FounderPal AI also excels at lead generation. Its algorithm helps you identify and target your ideal customers by analyzing data and finding patterns in your audience's behavior. This means you can put your marketing budget to better use by targeting the right people with the right message at the right time. When it comes to automation, FounderPal takes things to the next level. It doesn't just automate basic tasks, but also helps you build workflows that engage with customers in a personalized way, leading to higher conversion rates. It's like having an assistant who understands your customers' needs and responds to them intelligently. What's impressive is how FounderPal AI adapts and learns over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It picks up on trends, customer preferences, and even improves the effectiveness of your campaigns, ensuring that your marketing efforts are continuously optimized. Another thing you'll love about FounderPal AI is its analytics. You don't have to guess whether your efforts are paying off. The platform provides detailed reports on campaign performance, customer interactions, and conversion rates, making it easy to see where to tweak your strategy for better results. Finally, FounderPal is extremely user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Its interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for entrepreneurs who don't have the time or resources to deal with steep learning curves. Now, here's the best part. You can try FounderPal AI for free through the first link in the description below. It's a risk-free way to see if this software fits your business needs. And if you're still not sure, I've also included a list of other top AI tools that I recommend after testing thousands of options. I've been using AI tools in digital marketing for years, and FounderPal AI is definitely a standout. If you're an entrepreneur looking to automate processes and boost efficiency, I highly recommend giving it a try. Just don't forget to check out the links below for other free trials that might be perfect for your business. Let me know what you think about FounderPal AI in the comments. Have you tried it yet? And what AI tools have you found to be game changers for your business? Don't forget to check the description for more free trials of AI software that can help take your business to the next level.